What?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Bruh.
Oh, my God.
Oh my god! Wow! Get out!
Damn!
Are you serious right now, bro?
That was easy.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Yes, yes, yes. No, fuck, shit, cut, no!
A person who thinks all the time.
Okay.
That's quite big. Impressive.
What's up, guys? Albert Fingernoodle here. I farted.